I don't really think it's an issue over the coming days, but it will be kind of messy. Some wet weather here, a little bit of snow mixing in there, but nothing that should really affect travel as we approach the holiday. The clouds have returned. We did have some sunshine for a brief period of time. It was nice to see it. That combined with a strong south breeze got Omaha up to 47 earlier. Now it's the clouds. We still have the south breeze at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but that will subside heading into tonight. Weak front's going to swing through. That will change the wind direction from out of the south to out of the northwest. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, that's where the winds have been coming from the past several days. Notice kind of some showers here well off to our north, working this west to east direction. With this fast-moving west and northwesterly flow, we see a lot of little tiny upper-level disturbances that continue to move through here in succession through the middle and end of the week. That will give us a chance of rain here, a chance of light, wet snow there. But overall, I really think travel around the Central Plains for the holiday looks okay. But tomorrow will be wet, especially to start in eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. We'll watch after that at the end of the week. Jet stream here still bringing all this moisture onto the Pacific, has been for the last several days. The jet stream then digs into basically the Baja Peninsula here, swings back around. Approaching the Gulf states. But this will really strengthen into the end of the weekend and Monday. And when it does, we're going to see a very strong upper-level low-pressure system develop around northern Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and then swing in our direction. And the way it looks right now, if it's strong enough and it stays on the same heading, working north and northeast, could be some decent snow in the forecast by Monday and Monday night. So that's what we'll be watching heading into Monday. Before we get there, though, really just nuisance showers here and there and no major road troubles. We stay mild tonight with the south breeze early on, and then the clouds increase. And we're still in the lower 40s through around midnight. After midnight is when we expect to see some showers developing, but strictly rain as we head into tomorrow morning, and then maybe some wet snowflakes that mix in by midday on Wednesday. 44 and mostly cloudy. It's a south wind at about 16 miles per hour, and it's really drawing in that warm air today. 53 right now in Kansas City, but even north of here, they're above freezing, almost 40 in Sioux Falls, 36 in Pierre, 39 O'Neill. Here are those wind speeds in miles per hour, so about 10 to 20 miles per hour at the moment, but Epley did have a 40-mile-per-hour gust earlier on. Heading into tonight and tomorrow morning, there's some moderately heavy rainfall expected, but not much in the way of snow. You see some snowflakes that try to mix in for midday in the afternoon, then this quickly pushes out of here. We're mostly clear heading into Christmas Eve. A few showers, snow showers, yes, for Thursday morning. These will be fast moving. By midday Thursday, could even get some sunshine around here. So not too worried about the snow there, but maybe a few spots to get a dusting to a half inch or an inch if you're very lucky. We're mostly clear heading into early Christmas morning. Then I think a chance of a rain shower actually for Friday afternoon. By Saturday, still a chance of a light snow shower or rain shower around here. We cool off heading into Sunday. But Monday will be the storm that we're absolutely watching. If we see this change from rain to snow, especially if it happens early, that would mean some decent accumulations, but not too bad through the rest of the work week and into the holiday.
Right. All right. Thanks, Cal.
Yeah.